Hey guys, in this video I will tell you about how the Chime debit card works. All right, let's begin. Now, Chime is a financial technology company that offers fee-free checking and savings accounts, direct deposit, and a Visa debit card. After signing up and setting up your account, you will receive your Chime Visa debit card in the mail. Once received, activate it by tapping the Activate Card button on the home page. If you have not received your card yet, go to Settings, scroll down to View Your Card, and use the temporary card assigned to you. Using your Chime debit card is just like any other debit or credit card. As long as the establishment accepts Visa and you have funds in your Chime account, you can swipe or use it for daily transactions without issues. If you lose your Chime debit card, go to Settings and turn off Allow Transactions to block unauthorized purchases. Then tap Replace Card under View Your Card. After filling out the required details, a replacement card will be sent within 7 to 10 business days. So that's basically all about the Chime debit card. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.